Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
My name is Emily. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Today I'm cooking this Jumbo King Prawn coated in a light crispy tempura batter in the air fryer. It's straight from the freezer, no oil needed, no prep needed, quite quick and convenient. All you need is your pack of tempura king prawn and an air fryer. This is the pack of king prawns I'm using. I got it from Games. It has cooking instruction of cooking in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes or deep frying for 4 to 5 minutes, but air frying also would do justice to this. The air fryer I'm using is this compact air fryer from Asta. So now I'm just going to open the box, and here we have it, the frozen Jumbo Tempura King Prawns ready to be air fried. Empty the content of the bag into the air fryer basket, ensuring that the prawns are all in a single layer to ensure it cooks evenly. Return the air fryer basket into the air fryer, and now it's ready to cook. Now start the air fryer, set the temperature to 200 degrees centigrade and a timer to 10 minutes. Halfway through the cooking, like 5 minutes, bring out the basket, flip the prawns to the other side, then pop it back to continue the cooking for the remaining 5 minutes. Once your air fryer is done, you should get your tempura king prawn well cooked, crispy with a golden crunch. It's perfect for quick lunches, movie night snacks, or even party food. There's no mess, no deep frying, just the air fryer magic. You can enjoy it on its own or with any sauce of your choice. Now let's try one. It's so good and so crispy. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Do like and share this video, and also please turn on your notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.